Good morning. Our lesson today about main groups in the modern periodic table. Okay, we will have three main groups in the modern periodic table. Number one, the 1A group. Number two, 7A group, and 0 group. Number one, the 1A group is located in the maximum left side of the periodic table. Okay, their metals are named alkali metals. Give reason why 1A group elements are called alkali metals, because they react with water forming alkaline solution. So sodium plus H2O water reduce NaOH plus H2. H2 is a hydrogen gas, evolve with Bob sound or burn with Bob sound. Okay, let's go to the general properties of alkali metals. First, physical properties. They are solid and they have metallic luster. They are good conductors of heat and electricity. Most of them have low density. Okay, the lowest density alkali metal is lithium, Li. The highest density alkali metal is cesium. Let's go to the chemical properties. Number one, their outermost energy level contains one electron. So, the property number two, they are monovalent element. Why? Because they tend to lose their valency electron, forming a positive ion. Okay? Let's go to the number three. They are chemically active elements. So they are kept under kerosene or paraffin oil. Why? Give reason. To prevent their reaction with the moist air. Let's go to the cesium. Cesium is considered as the most active metal in general. Okay, why the cesium is the most active metal? Because it has the largest atomic size, so it can lose its valency electron easily. Let's go to the halogen or group 17. The location, it is located on the right side of the periodic table. Okay, the general properties. Number one, the physical properties and the chemical properties. First, we talk about physical properties. They are bad conductors of heat and electricity. Okay, because they are non-metal. Their physical state is graduated from gaseous state as fluorine and chlorine, liquid state as bromine, solid state as iodine. The chemical properties, the outermost energy level contains 7 electrons, so they are monovalent non-metals. They are monovalent. Why they are monovalent? Because they tend to gain one electron during the chemical reaction, forming a negative ion. Number three, they chemically active elements, so they don't exist in nature, okay, individually. They exist in chemical compounds. Number four, they exist in a form of diatomic molecules, okay? The diatomic molecules, we studied it in Prep 1. The diatomic molecule, the molecule consists of two atoms. So fluorine, the symbol of fluorine molecule, F2, chlorine, Cl2, bromine, Br2, iodine, I2. Number five, they react with metals forming salts, so they are called halogen, which means salt formations. K, potassium plus bromine equal or produce KBr, potassium bromide. Okay, each of elements from halogen replace the element below its their salt solution. So chlorine plus potassium bromide produce potassium chloride plus bromine. So the chlorine replace bromine, okay, and bromine evolve. The last one is inert gases. Inert gases located on the maximum right side of the modern periodic table. It is the last group of B block. The general properties of inert gases, they exist. Number one, they exist in gaseous state. Number two, their outermost energy level contain 8 electrons except helium. Number three, the valency equals 0. Why? Because its outermost energy level saturated with electrons, so they don't gain or lose electrons. Number four, they are chemically inactive metals, or elements. Number five, they exist in the form of monoatomic molecules. Monoatomic, it means the molecule consists of one atom. Let's go to the some uses of some elements. Number one, sodium liquid in liquid state is used in transferring heat from inside the nuclear reactor to outside to generate electricity. Number two, the radioactive cobalt 60 is used in preservation food or food preservation. Okay, why? Because the cobalt emits or radiates gamma rays which prevent the reproduction of microbial cells without an effect on human. Silicon slides are used in manufacture of electronic devices as computers and transistors. Why? Give reason. Because they are semiconductors or semi-metals, which its ability to conduct depend on temperature. Okay. Number three, liquefied nitrogen. 34. Liquefied nitrogen. It's used in preservation of the cornea of the eye. Why? Because it has a low boiling point. The boiling point of the nitrogen is 196 minus 196 degrees Celsius. Thanks.